He was taken before he could remember anything beyond darkness and warmth, and a storm-white night. Members of the Old and Untouched entered a small closed hall. The mother's scream was swallowed by thunder and waves. The infant was lifted without mercy, his cries fading into the sea wind. No trace remained except an empty cradle. From that moment, his life was no longer his own. He was carried into rituals he could not understand, shaped by hands that never comforted. Yet even as a baby, something inside him resisted, a fragile instinct to survive.